Hello guys, welcome to Supreme Steno classes. Guys, be ready for a legal dictations which is relevant for any court skill examinations, whether it is Punjab and Haryana High Court skill examinations, upcoming Bihar Civil Court skill examinations, and Ranchi High Court skill examinations. So be ready, guys. 5 seconds. Start. Sri Mukul Rahtogi, learned senior counsel for the petitioner, however, contended that the state does not have the power to withdraw the essentiality certificate once granted. Full stop. According to the learned senior counsel, the essentiality certificate is issued for the specific purpose of certifying the need for opening a new medical college in a state. Full stop. One such a need is certified and the college is established, there is no power conferred by the IMC Act or the regulations to withdraw such a certificate except on the ground of fraud. Full stop. Before going into the merits of the submission, it is important to note that the state government appears to have withdrawn the essentiality certificate acting under dictation of MCI. Full stop. This is obvious from the letter dated 13/7/2017 referred to above. Full stop. This by itself would vitiate the withdrawal of the essentiality certificate by the state, wide Anirudh Singh ji, Karan Singh ji Jadeja versus State of Gujarat and Deepak Bavaria versus State of Gujarat. Full stop. The following passage from Vede and Forsyth in Administrative Law, 10th edition at point 269 sincerity states the vice in such an action, semicolon, double noted, closely akin to delegation and scarcely distinguishable from it in some cases, is any arrangement by which a power conferred upon one authority is in substance exercised by another. Full stop. The proper authority may share its power with someone else, or may allow someone else to dictate to it by declining to act without their consent or by submitting to their wishes or instructions. Full stop. The effect then is that the discretion conferred by Parliament is exercised, at least in part, by the wrong authority, and the resulting decision is ultra vires and void. Full stop. So strict are the courts in applying this principle that they condemn some administrative arrangements which must seem quite natural and proper to those who make them. Full stop, inverted comma, closed. The issue which arises in the present writ petition is, semicolon, whether the state government has the power to withdraw an essentiality certificate once granted, and whether the power to do so in ultra vires is the act and the regulations framed thereunder. Full stop. This issue needs to be decided since power assumed by the state to withdraw an essentiality certificate has drastic consequences on medical education in a state, which can only be controlled by and under the IMC Act. Full stop. It would, therefore, be necessary to see the origin of the requirement that a college must have an essentiality certificate before it receives permission for its establishment. Full stop. The legislative scheme that imposes the requirement of an essentiality certificate is as follows. Column section 10-A of the IMC Act requires college must submit to the central government a scheme as prescribed. Full stop. The central government then refers the scheme to MCI for its recommendation. Full stop. The medical council is required to consider the scheme and satisfy itself by obtaining any particulars as are necessary, and after having the defects, if any, removed, make its recommendations to the central government. Full stop. The central government, may on receipt of the scheme, approve it conditionally or disapprove the scheme. Full stop. Approval constitutes permissions wide subsection under bracket 4 of section 10A of the IMC Act. फुल स्टॉप स्टॉप. सो गाइस, ये डिक्टेशन था. होप सो आप लोग इसे अच्छे से लिखे होंगे. अच्छे से इसको ट्रांसक्राइब कीजिए, अपनी एरर को चेक कीजिए, और यदि आपको कहीं पे किसी भी प्रकार का प्रॉब्लम है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर लिखिए. और यदि आपको हमारी इन्फॉर्मेशन पसंद आ रहे हैं, डिक्टेशन पसंद आ रहे हैं, तो चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू सो मच. हेलो गाइस.